Are you excited?
Yes.
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
It's surprise time for Avery.
Yay. How can I open it?
You're gonna figure it out. Tear it apart.
Huh?
Rip it open. Wait. What do you think it is? Make some guesses.
Ah! It's a drum.
Oh, you saw inside, you sneaky little baby. Don't give up. You can do it. Tear it apart. Show us your muscles. Come on, use your muscles. Okay, fine. You have to film me doing it then. Hey. Are you filming it? Oh, look what we got for Avery. Was I holding it upside down?
No.
Is it? I thought I got you a red one. I'm not sure.
How I do it? I will film you again.
You need help? You gonna film me again?
Yeah.
Okay. My YouTube knife. My handy dandy YouTube knife. Avery, get over here. Woohoo! You're gonna be seeing a lot of drone videos eventually. So relax. So Avery had to get her own drone.
I got these little tricks.
Just a sec. Relax. Relax.
Little drone.
Yeah. Okay. I got the pack that had more batteries. Maybe the batteries are coming. Oh yeah, there they are. Well, we got 1, 2.
I got my message. I'm so happy I got my message.
Who knows? Who knows?
Who knows? We got it.
Okay.
Baby.
Wait. Daddy's gonna test it first.
Okay,
And you're only gonna get to fly it if you listen to Daddy.
I
Because
really.
Daddy's gonna teach you. Ready?
Yeah.
Watch out, Nana. Wait. Whoa, this is tricky. Just wait. We need to read some rules. We have to know what all these buttons are. High speed, low. Oh, okay, so this makes it high speed or low speed. What's carefree mode?
And mine is flying safely. Can we do it? Fly to me. Fly.
This thing's not very easy to fly.
You guys, I want to fly now. Can we fly now? I want to fly. I'm not flying. Daddy, it's to me.
Okay, here. You have to be careful, okay?
Okay, I will be.
You gotta do what Daddy tells you, okay?
Okay, I will fly.
Okay, so all you're gonna do for now is practice going up slowly. Listen, very slowly. Very slowly. See? You're gonna break it. You wanna break it? So let's go very slowly. Okay? Here. Do it super slowly. Super slowly. Slowly. It's a little tricky.
I got the cat.
Don't try and hit it. It's hard to keep it level. Just
I will catch it.
Oh, that's This thing's harder to fly than my bigger one. Yeah. Okay, don't break it over here. You can try flying it again. Here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna come sit with Daddy. Okay, we're gonna do it together. Okay, you can hold it, put your thumb on it, very, very slowly. See? Now leave it. You run too fast. You're gonna break it. Do you want it to die? Oh. Wait, let me try and get it like one level. Don't hit it, don't hit it. Hey?
That wasn't funny.
I didn't mean to. I told you not to hit it.
My head is stronger. Hit it like this, and I push it that way. That would be very strong. I won't let it hit me.
Whoa. It changes like the style of flying. Like it?
Yes,
It's gonna take a while to learn, but pretty cool. Super gentle.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Oh, I did all along side.
You're so crazy.
And it makes me, when I did the same thing, when this worked for me, I was like, yes. Something that actually
It's
works.
not
Here,
bad.
well, now, whenever you
that
have
nice.
your sweaty
It's
feet
connected.
get here,
You like it?
it's still, right? When you sweat and whatever.
Little buddy, do you like it? Yes, I do. He says, yes, I do. Buddy, come close to me. Very slow to me. Come, come. Come, my little buddy. Go.
Charge the battery now.
Daddy, I told you be careful. I told Daddy be careful of my little throat. I'm not gonna see my buddy again.